Today, we didn't feel like doing a restaurant, so we're just gonna come up here to the Plymouth IGA Fresh Market food truck and get some food to take home. They have a nice little outdoor seating area here. We got a little eagle carved in a tree. A little bear with a lantern. Lots of picnic areas. Even outdoor party lights everywhere. Cat house over there and some cornhole. And super big Jenga games everywhere. So you can order at the food truck and wait, or you can go on the app and you can actually pick what you want, a pickup time, dine in, or delivery. We're gonna do a pickup around 1:30, but here's some of the options. You can get different burgers, and if you click on them, you can add and take things off so they make it the way you want. We're gonna take a look at the sandwiches because I already know I'm gonna get a Philly cheese steak, so I'm gonna go ahead and add what I want and put that in the basket. So you just click on it, pick how many you want, and then you'll scroll down and you can add your toppings, onions, mushrooms, green peppers. Scroll a little further. Obviously, you want the Philly roast beef, any special instructions, and then just add it to the cart. And now we're going to add Scott's Cuban sandwich because that's what he wants. And same thing. You get to choose what you want on it or don't want on it and put that baby right in the cart too. And then I'm going to add 2 orders of fries. But you can see some of the other sides, watermelon and shrimp and all kinds of different things. So let's go in here and go ahead and add 2 orders of fries to pick up as well. So now that it's in the cart, just review your order, make sure it's right. It'll take you to the next screen where you put in all of your information, just verifying when you're picking it up, name, phone number, email address, and then you'll make your payment, and then it'll send you a thing and you just go pick it up at the truck. And there's that Cuban, the ham, the pickles, fresh.
Good roasted pork.
That baby is good. This cheesesteak, it's really good. It's moist, not dried out, and they use diced onions and peppers, not the long slivery things. The fries aren't real crisp, but that's what you get anytime you get anything to go. There you have it. You can pre-order online or go to the truck and order. Everything here that we have had so far, we've ate here 4 or 5 times and tried a couple different things. It's always very good, super fresh. Very impressed for a food truck. It's always clean. The atmosphere is really cool with all the picnic tables and the lights and the little games while you're waiting, or just basically want to chill out and relax and have some fun. Stop by the food truck in Sorrento. As always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Trying to make that 100,000 subscribers. We're almost a quarter of the way there. Appreciate all your support and love.